All right, so me and my boy, we just finished with the hatch right now. So now we're gonna mess around with the BMW and try to see if we could do a little patch on the bag right now, so we can at least drive it tonight and try to pick up the motor tomorrow for the hatch. So let's see what happens. I'm trying to get some Gorilla Tape just to bypass it right now. I gotta order the bag, so. All right, so we're to the bag right now. Try to get under the car. Try to show you guys exactly where's my rip at. I think it's right there somewhere around there. But yeah, just want to tape it up and see if it lasts before I order the new one. Well, the Gorilla Tape is on, and so far the car's lifted up pretty good. I have to put in Gorilla Glue on the bag and wrapping it up pretty freaking good. It's up to height now. I don't hear no leaks, no nothing. So let's see how long the Gorilla Glue lasts. And I'm ordering the bag soon. I'm just trying to see where to go with. I see there's a lot of companies out there, and I don't know if I'm gonna risk it or just go with OEM. So, but yeah, we right here right now.